Ever find yourself wondering just how long it takes to change a car battery? Spoiler, it's faster than you might think, especially once you know the tricks. In today's guide, I'm going to break it all down for you, from the tools you need to those hidden speed bumps that might slow you down. Stick with me, and I'll have you swapping out that old battery in no time. The big question is, how long does it really take? If you've never done it before, plan on spending about 45 minutes to an hour. But if you know your way around a wrench, you might cut that down to just 30 minutes. It's all about knowing what to expect and having a plan. Now let's dive right in. The very first thing is finding the battery. Seems obvious, right? But depending on your car, the battery could be right under the hood, in the trunk, or even tucked away under a seat. Each location can change how long this whole process takes. So step 1, find your battery. Once you've got eyes on that battery, it's time to grab your tools. All you really need is a basic wrench set, gloves, and a wire brush if there's any corrosion. Oh, and don't forget safety glasses. You don't want to risk getting anything nasty in your eyes. First things first, disconnect the negative terminal. Always negative first. This prevents any accidental sparks or shorts. Then move on to the positive terminal. After that, it's time to lift that old battery out. Carefully. They're heavier than they look. Next up, clean those terminals. Corrosion can really mess with your connections, so grab that wire brush and give everything a good scrub. Once it's all clean, pop in the new battery, making sure it's securely in place. You don't want it bouncing around when you're driving. With the new battery in, reconnect the terminals. Positive first, then negative. Make sure everything's tight. You don't need to be a bodybuilder here, but snug enough to ensure a good connection. Finally, it's time for the moment of truth. Start the car. If it fires up without hesitation, you're golden. If not, double-check those connections. Sometimes a loose terminal can be the culprit. So that's it. Changing a car battery can take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the type of car and your experience. It's a quick job once you've done it a time or two. And trust me, the feeling of doing it yourself is totally worth it. Want more DIY car tips? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all the best car hacks and maintenance guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those engines running smoothly.